So last week, the topic of my email was that we were on the interest rate roller coaster. And that is mainly because inflation came back a little bit higher than what was expected, although Janet Yellen did just say that she thinks inflation is under control and that we are going to be in for a soft landing. Now, whether or not that is true remains to be seen, but it should definitely help the treasuries to scale back a little bit from where they were. So treasuries were up about 10 basis points, let's call it, last week, but rates are back closer to that 6% range right now if we're looking at multifamily rates. So the rates have definitely ticked up, and we are feeling that in loan dollars, and so it's definitely cutting some of the loan amounts, but we've been used to that over the last year or so. That's what's been happening in the market. So that is really the biggest news for apartments. And as you can see, we have our new background here. We've been redoing this room. It used to be our old podcast room. And then we moved it, and now we're moving back in and changing things up a bit. So I hope you guys have a wonderful week. And I am so thankful to all of you who watch my videos every week, and for all of the phone calls and emails I get about the videos or about deals that you're looking at, and people who have been interested in working with us as they've gotten to know us every week through these emails. So I really do appreciate the support, and I thank you guys so much. Have a fabulous week.